How to find liked videos on YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you find liked videos on YouTube. To find a liked videos on YouTube, you could follow these steps. Before we start on, make sure that the application is completely updated. So head over to your respective app store, and on the search box you want to type in YouTube and see whether you have to update it or not. After completely updating it, so click on the open button and log into your account. As you're logged into your account, then it's going to take you to this page, and here what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and click on the U button. And after you go to the U section, then you could actually go to the playlist, and here you could actually find liked videos. So you could go to the liked section, and these are the content that you liked. So this is how you could actually go ahead and see your liked videos on YouTube. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.